Thanks for joining us on MPI TV, sponsored by Visit Los Cabos. We're talking inspiring space and design as we look into the meeting room of the future with IACC's Mark Cooper. But first, here's a quick message from our sponsor. At MPI, we encourage you to stop planning meetings and start designing experiences. Those experiences start with the venue and how you design spaces to maximize learning and engagement during your event. Here to tell us about the meeting room of the future is CEO of IACC, Mark Cooper. Mark, what are some space design and design trends we're seeing?
I think what's become more radical and more important for meeting planners is to get into an environment for delegates that's creative. And that means, no more beige walls, no more heavy patterned carpets that we see in so many hotel banqueting spaces. We need to be in environments that are conducive to learning. And like I say, have some sort of inspirational and creative element as well. So that could be colours, it could be the use of art, it could be the type of furniture from a collaboration perspective.
You mentioned that flexibility is king. What do you mean by that?
No, so much more about learning is about the debate, the discussions that delegates have between themselves and the problem solving. And to be able to do that, you need to have spaces and seating and furniture that are more flexible and can be changed around and interchanged according to what's happening. So as an example, we no longer want rows and rows of chairs facing the presenter at the front. We want to be in small pockets and small groups within that main conference setting where there can be a discussion between participants.
Part of designing for the future isn't just in space and design, but it's also by incorporating technology at cost and that actually benefit attendees. What would your advice be for experienced designers sifting through influential technologies?
Don't try and bring technology in for the sake of wanting to be current and up to date would be my advice. Look carefully at the technology that's going to make a difference and be measurable. And some of those technologies actually have evolved to a point where they are low cost. So I'll give you one example. It's proven that audience polling and Q&A sessions through smartphones is a real hit. People like to ask questions without raising their hand and having a microphone passed to them. And the exchange and the value of having that is proven.
Mark, thank you for helping us be future forward as we design meeting rooms and experiences. You can read up on even more trends in space and design in the July issue of The Meeting Professional. Thanks for joining us on MPI TV, sponsored by Visit Los Cabos.